Now this is the next rule, that is addition rule of not mutually exclusive events. Let A and B be the two mutually exclusive events using the addition rule of probabilities. The probability of their union is, in this case again we are going to take the union. PA union B is used in this case as well it was used in the previous case. देखिए आपको याद होगा. For mutually exclusive events, again we use PA union B. But here the third factor was not there, only we wrote PA plus PB. In this case, we are writing again, the first three values are same, PA union B equals PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. This factor will come because A intersection B exists in case of not mutually exclusive. जब इसका वजूद मौजूद है तो इसकी प्रॉपर्टी भी निकलेगी. So you have to add this factor here, I mean with a minus sign. So PA union B is PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. Remember all these rules by heart. What was the property rule for mutually exclusive events? The last factor was not there. PA union B, PA plus PB. Only this was for mutually exclusive. And this factor will also be there for not mutually exclusive cases. Next is for the independent rule. देखिए conditional property से चलिए पहले conditional property और पढ़ लीजिए. Let A and B be two events. The conditional property of event A, given that event B has already occurred, is denoted by the symbol PA slash B. जो line है ना सीधी सी लगी हुई है, इसको पढ़ेंगे PA slash B, and is found to be इस तरह से पढ़ेंगे. PA slash B फॉर्मूला है, स्लैश की जगह आप इंटरसेक्शन डाल दीजिए पहले, PA इंटरसेक्शन B, just take the intersection of the two events divided by जो स्लैश के बाद इवेंट है वो नीचे लिख रहे हैं, divided by PB. This probability is known as the conditional probability. आपकी पूरी एक एक्सरसाइज इस conditional probability के ऊपर है. You have to do many questions on this. Similarly, अगर B इधर आ जाता है, A बाद में आ जाता है, तो जो चीज स्लैश के बाद होगी वही नीचे आएगी, ऊपर तो वही रहेगा इंटरसेक्शन B. इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन ले लिया आपने A और B का, तो B इंटरसेक्शन A is as good as A इंटरसेक्शन B. ये दोनों बराबर होते हैं, याद रखिएगा. A इंटरसेक्शन B will be the same as B इंटरसेक्शन A, and divided by वो चीज आएगी जो स्लैश के बाद है. ये स्लैश है, स्लैश के बाद A है तो नीचे A आ जाएगा. Done. Provided PA is greater than 0, ये नीचे वाला factor 0. You keep on writing all the questions and the end I'll give you the time. Don't raise your hands. Now is the multiplication rule of independent events. Let A and B be two independent events. Using the multiplication rule of probabilities, the probability of both occurring is. अब दो इंडिपेंडेंट रूल मैंने सुबह बताया था आपको कि यू आर फ्लिपिंग ए कॉइन एंड ड्राइंग ए कार्ड, बोथ द इवेंट्स आर इंडिपेंडेंट, एक का असर दूसरे पे नहीं है. देन इन दैट केस probability of A intersection B will be PA dot PB. इससे पहले आपने mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive में you had been using union, and but in case of multiplication rule of independent events and dependent events you will be using intersection. Remember, these are the minor changes and इसके साथ साथ सारा concept change हो रहा है. So you must be very much vigilant about it. Union will be used in the first two events and intersection will be used in the last two dependent independent cases. Well, the probability is very simple. For independent rules, you just multiply the two probabilities. Probability of event A dot probability of event B. Means you are going to take it simple multiplication. Now Next is multiplication rule for the dependent events. Let A and B be two dependent events. Using the multiplication rule of probabilities, the probability of both occurring is, both occurring का मतलब under an intersection है, दोनों साथ साथ करता है. अब देखिए P A intersection B, P A multiplied with P, probability of the second event B slash A means given that event A has occurred. थोड़ी देर पहले I gave you an example that if one day you get up and see the sky is overcasted by dark thick clouds, you make a statement or you decide if it rains I will not go to the institute. ये है probability of A, पहला इवेंट, ये डार्क थिक क्लाउड्स है. लेकिन आपका इंस्टीट्यूट जाना किस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, वेदर इट इज रेनिंग. ए probability A, यानी अगर रेन हो रही है you are not going to. It is a dependent case and you will apply the conditional probability over here. याद रखिएगा, for every dependent event P A intersection B will be equal to P of the first event A multiplied with probability of event B slash means given that probability event A has occurred, P B slash A. इसको आप पढ़ते कैसे हैं, P B slash A को ऐसे पढ़ते हैं, probability of event B given that, ये लाइन जो होती है इसको पढ़ते हैं given that, probability of event B given that event A has occurred, ये वकू पजीर हो चुका. Okay, these are all the 5 probability rules. कल के 6 आपको बता दिए, एक लॉ ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट बता दिया और एक कंडीशनल probability बता दिए. 2 rules for mutually exclusive and not mutually exclusive I told you, and 2 rules for independent and dependent events. ये 6 rules आपके दिमाग में all the time रहने चाहिए. In the next 2 exercises you will be applying one rule or the other in any way in your exercises. तो आपकी एक्सरसाइज के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये आपको अच्छी तरह समझना है. अच्छा, कोई क्वेश्चन जो आपको समझ में ना आया हो, एनीथिंग अभी मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ, एक मिनट.